Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn frequently asked competitive questions from the general characters of algae, part 1. Let's go to the class. Algae are algae described as chlorophyllous, autotrophic, aquatic thallophytes. The term algae given by the scientist Linnaeus. The simplest plant body which is not differentiated into true roots, stem and leaves is called as, the answer is thallus. The largest division of cryptogams is, the answer is Thallophyta. The term Thallophyta given by the scientist, the answer is Endlicher. Cryptogams include, the answer is all non-flowering plants. The word cryptogams given by the scientist, the answer is Linnaeus. The golden period of algae, the answer is Cambrian Ordovician. The book titled as Structure and Reproduction of Algae, written by the scientist F. E. Fritsch. Famous Indian phycologist, answer is M.O.P. Iyengar. Sometimes color of water changes due to the color of phytoplankton, called as water bloom. Algae classified into major groups based on the chemical composition of the cell wall. Algae rich in protein is spirulina. The algae that grow on ice or snow are called as cryophytes. Alpine and Arctic mountains become red due to the presence of an algae known as, answer is Haematococcus nivalis. Give any two examples for the epizoic algae lives on the surface of the animals. The answer is Cladophora crispata basicladia. The smallest known eukaryotic alga is, the answer is Micromonas pusilla. When several male gametes cluster around a passive female gamete is known as, answer is clump formation. In Europe, green snow occur due to the presence of an algae called as, answer is Chlamydomonas yellowstonensis. Which seaweed is commonly called sea palm? The answer is Postelsia. Land plants believed to originate from an algae known as, the answer is Fritchiella. Scalariform conjugation seen in, the answer is Zygnema and Chlamydomonas. Palmelloid stage seen in, answer is Chlamydomonas. Motile cells of algae have a pigmented spot known as, the answer is eye spot or stigma. Give some examples for colonial forms. The answer is Volvox, Pondorina, Udorina. A curved plate-like 8-celled stage in the development of Cenobium called as, answer is Plechia stage or Plechia stage. Example, it's seen in Volvox. Specialized reproductive cells of Volvox, answer is Gonidia. Which alga shows pseudodichotomy? The answer is Cladophora. In Cladophora glomerata, dash zoospores are formed in zoosporangia and they gives rise to dash kind of thalli. The answer is diploid zoospores are formed in zoosporangia and they gives rise to diploid thalli. Amylum stars are vegetative reproductive bodies of. The answer is Chara. Chara plant is coarse to touch due to the presence of silica. Fruiting body of coleochaete. Answer is spermocarp. The scientists have made experiments on acetabularia. The answer is Hammerling. Example of colonial cenocytic alga. Answer is Hydrodictyon, which is commonly called as waternet. The true resting stage in the life history of Hydrodictyon is polyhedron stage. F. E. Fritsch included Vacheria in the order of Siphonalis of the class Xanthophyceae. Give some examples for cenocytic alga. Vacheria, Caulerpa, Botryddium. Pigments seen in Vacheria are, the answer is siphonin, cyphoxanthin. Give example for siphonous forms. The answer is Vacheria. Gangrosira stage is an asexual stage seen in Vacheria. Cell wall of Xanthophyceae members is made up of. The answer is pectic substances. Planktonic algae placed in the class. The answer is Bacillariophyceae. In Bacillariophyceae, sexual reproduction involves the formation of special cells called as oxospores. Diatoms which show radial symmetry are called as. The answer is centric diatoms. The structure responsible for locomotion in diatoms is. The answer is raphe. Diatom wall shows sculpturing due to silica. Most of the seaweeds belongs to the class. Answer is Phaeophyceae. Give some examples for heterotrichous forms of algae. The answer is Coleochaete, Fritchiella, Ectocarpus, Batrachospermum. Principal pigment of Phaeophyceae, fucoxanthin. Motile vegetative and reproductive cells absent in. The answer is Rhodophyceae and Cyanophyceae. Female sex organ of the Rhodophyceae known as. The answer is Carpagonium. The tip of Carpagonium is prolonged into a structure called as trichogyne. In Rhodophyceae, a single, spherical, colorless, naked, uninucleate, non-motile body formed from an antheridium is called as spermaceum. Charantia is a juvenile stage in the life history of Batrachospermum. The cystocarp in Batrachospermum is. Answer is haploid. The juvenile plant of Batrachospermum reproduces asexually by. The answer is monospores. Red color of Red Sea due to the presence of which algae? Trichodesmium erythraeum. Some blue-green algae change their color when exposed to lights of different wavelengths is called. This phenomenon is called as Guideco phenomenon. The median constriction in Cosmarium is called as, the answer is isthmus. Harmagonia formation is the characteristic feature of reproduction in BZA, blue-green algae. Oscillatory movements of trichomes and absence of heterosis are the two characteristic features of oscillatory AC. The mucilaginous cell wall or sheath in BZA, means blue-green algae, helps them to preventing the desiccation. Heterosis absent in Glyocapsa. Give examples for algae showing false branching. The answer is Cytonema. In BZA, vegetative reproduction takes place by, the answer is Harmagonia. Sexual reproduction is absent in, the answer is Cyanophyceae.